All right. I want to give you a tip. I know you're dying to enamorar with a gringo. You really want to date a gringo guy. You're interested in their culture. Some of them are, of course, very good looking. You like their light eyes. They're in shape. They're smart. They've traveled. Maybe you even want to go to their country. But look, some of these guys you got to be careful about, okay? So here are 5 gringo names that you really got to be careful when you meet these guys in Brazil. First one is Mike. Mike played sports his whole life. Mike was a high school athlete. He even played college baseball. He's tall, he's fit, he's well-traveled. But man, he's talking to everybody. He'll make you think like you're the only girl in the world, but you're not. You're the only girl in the world for him that minute. You're kissing him, great. And then an hour later, when he says he's going home to go to sleep, he's at another party kissing another girl. Forget Mike. Number 2, Josh. Josh seems innocent. Oh, Joshy. Yeah, Josh is cute. He's got blonde hair. He's got blue eyes. You know, but... And Josh is really, really invested in learning Portuguese, but, man, he's lying about his girlfriend back home. She doesn't even know he's in Brazil. You ask him for his Instagram, he says, oh, I'm taking a break from social media. Forget it, it's a lie. He's got a girl, he's cheating, he appears to be an angel, but he ain't. Forget Josh. Eric. Look, Eric is a good guy, but that's the problem. He's so focused on his career and everything that he's building while traveling. You're like, Eric, why aren't you coming to the party? Man, the guy's working on his business. The guy is so focused on his next steps in life. So like, hey, maybe you're going to be into that because you want an entrepreneur that's really crushing it in life, but there is no life. The guy is 24 hours a day focused on himself. He's just in another country that's tropical, has coconuts and beautiful people. So look, Brazilian, hey, if you're a Brazilian girl, you want attention, you'll never get the attention you want from Eric. Brian, man, Brian is the most safado de todos. He's the biggest player. Trust me. There's going to be a long line for you to really get Brian. And guess what? You never will. He's never going to stop playing the field. There'll be you and 500 others. Trust me. Forget Brian. Chris. Now, Chris is that gringo god. Chris is that guy you see on Praia de Ipanema with that perfect body. The sun is just shining on his face, his pectorals, his abdominals. You're going crazy for Chris. But unfortunately, Chris is going through a divorce back home. And he's got a 3-year-old daughter. No one wants that baggage. Chris may tell you it's over, but it ain't. He's got lawyers. He's got a wife that if she doesn't get back with him, there's going to be a lawsuit. It's a mess. I don't think you want that mess. You got enough problems. If you want more, sure, go with Chris. It's not my recommendation. However, if you want to find good gringo men, you know where to go. Check out Linguado. You can find gringos all over the world. You can filter by nationality. Pick the gringo you want to talk to and start your gringo relationship journey now. Tamo junto.